Here you go. All right.
Dude,
the best man shelf.
I'm buttoning.
Go.
I'm buttoning, nigga. I'm not gonna do that.
Oh, he already did. He's gonna do some karate shit on you.
Easy.
Ooh la la.
Alright, we'll check it out. He keeps claiming he got a huge cock. We're gonna check that shit out.
Size 13, huh? Let's see.
Cause this kid got tiny feet. He got tiny little feet.
You'd be surprised to see a big cock. I'm like, oh damn. Oh shit.
Damn,
He's fucking packing dog.
Shit, it's like, gang. Take it out. That shit is flat. I think he got a pussy. Holy shit, that shit is flat.
Gross. Alright, you're gonna miss your flight, Chris.
11. Fucking 11, dude.
He's still asleep, dude.
Oh shit. Chris, you gotta get up. Flight time. Get some breakfast and go.
Sleep, baby. You're going back into a deep sleep. You're dreaming about what happened earlier today. And you're standing in the corner, thinking about dancing with girls. Sleep, my little one. Sleep. I guess I should take a shower.
That thing was showing all that nasty stripper.
Is it a buffet here?
Yeah.
Or is it a buffet at Excalibur?
No, this one here.
The one at Excalibur's pretty good.
Dude. Hey. Stop real quick. Stop. Neil. Let me ask this kid something.
What?
You're awake. Dude, what time is your flight? 6?
7.
7 in the morning?
What the fuck? There's 8, dude.
It's 8 o'clock
Dude,
already.
for real, what time is your flight?
It's almost 9, dude.
Yeah, it's basically 9.
You gotta check in.
Sorry, he'll go tomorrow. He'll do his leadership stuff like next month.
I mean, we got a webcam, but